Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel Maths with Balakrishna. Okay, today I am explaining class 9 chapter 4 lines and angles. It is a state syllabus. Okay, example 4. In previous video I am explaining example 3, theorem 4.1, example 1, example 2. Okay, now today I am explaining example 4. In the adjacent figure, lines PQ and PS are intersect each other at the point O, then angle POR is to angle ROQ is equal 5:7. Find all the angles. So here, when any two lines are intersect at the point O, then which angles are equal? Vertically opposite angles are equal. So that is here angle POS and angle ROQ are equal. Next, angle POR and angle SOQ are equal. Here they given that angle POR is to angle ROQ is equal 5:7. So that means the angle POR is how many parts? 5 parts. Angle ROQ is how many parts? 7 parts. Each part how much they are dividing, we don't know that. Let us take that is x. So that is angle POR is equal 5 parts, that is 5x. Angle ROQ is 7 parts, that is 7x. Okay. So on the line PQ, at the point O, the sum of angles at a point on a line is how much? 180 degrees. That is our angle POR. Angle POR and angle ROQ is how much? 180 degrees. So, but they given that angle POR is equal 5x, and ROQ is equal 7x. So 5x plus 7x is equal how much? 180. So 5x plus 7x is how much? 12x. 12x is equal to 180. Like that we can find the values. Okay. So here solution, given PQ line and RS line, PQ line, RS line are intersect at point O. Okay, then we know that vertically opposite angles are equal. We know that vertically opposite angles are equal. So that is here angle POS is equal angle ROQ. Next, angle POR is equal angle SOQ. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So here the sum of angles at a point on a line is how much? 180 degrees. Okay. So here on the line PQ, on the line PQ at the point O, the two angle sum is how much? 180 degrees. Okay. So that is here PQ line at the point O, sum of angles is 180 degrees. That is angle POR plus angle ROQ is equal 180. So here they given that the ratio is how much? 5:7. So angle POR is equal 5x, angle ROQ is equal 7x. Each part how much they are dividing, we don't know that. That is 5x and it is 7x. So that is here 5x plus 7x is equal 180. So 5x plus 7x how much? 12x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 by 12. So 12 1 ja 12, 15 ja, x is equal to how much? 15. So x is how much? 15. So angle POR is equal to 5x. So that is here 5 into 15, that is equal to how much? 75. So angle POR is equal to 75. So the angle POR which is equal to which angle? Angle SOQ. That is angle SOQ is also how much? 75 degrees. Next, angle ROQ is how much? 7x. Okay, that is here 7 into 15 is equal to how much? 105. So angle ROQ which is equal to angle POS. So angle POS is equal to how much? 105. So how they are equal? There are vertically opposite angles. Next, example 5. Calculate angle AOC, angle BOD, angle AOE. In the adjacent figure, given that angle COD is 90 degrees, angle BOE is 72 degrees, and AOB is a straight line. So straight line means what? The angle which is 180 degrees. Okay, so here given angle COD is equal 90 degrees, angle BOE is equal 72 degrees. Next here angle AOC is equal X, angle BOD is equal to Y, angle AOE is equal to 3x. So AOB is a straight line. AOB is angle AOB is how much? 180 degrees. Straight line means what? The angle which is 180 degrees. Okay, so the sum of angles at a point and a line is how much? 180 degrees. So sum of angles at a point O on line AB is how much? 180 degrees. So that is here angle AOE plus angle BOE is equal to how much? 180. So angle AOE how much? 3x. Angle BOE how much? 72 is equal to 180. Plus 72 is moving right side upon minus 3x is equal to 180 minus 72. So 3x is equal to 180 minus 72 how much? 108. So here 3x is equal to 108. X is equal to 108 by 3. So 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 6 ja. X is equal to how much? 36. Okay, the angle X is equal to how much? 36. So X is equal to 36. So next sum of angles at a point and O on right, okay, upside. Okay, so that is here X degrees plus 90 plus Y is equal to how much? 180. So plus 90 is moving right side open minus. So x plus y is equal to 180 minus 90. So x plus y is equal here angle AOC plus angle COD plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degrees. AOC is x, COD is 90, BOD is y. So here 180 minus 90, that is how much? 90. X is how much? 36. 36 plus y is equal to 90. Y is equal to 90 minus 36. Y is equal to how much? 54. So y means how much? Angle BOD is equal to 54. So next angle AOE is equal to 3x, that is 3 into x value is how much? 36, that is equal to how much? 108. So these are the values. So angle AOC is equal to x is equal to 36, angle BOD is equal to y is equal to 54, angle AOE is equal to 3x, 3x is equal to how much? 108. Next, example 6. In the adjacent figure, rays OS stands on a line PQ. OS ray stand on line PQ. Next, ray OR and OT. OR and OT are angular bisectors of angle POS and angle SOQ. Respectively, find angle ROT. Find angle ROT. Bisect means what? It is dividing into two equal parts. Okay, so here the angle POS is bisect the OR into two equal parts. Next, the angle SOQ is dividing two equal parts by the ray OT. Okay, into two equal parts. So here OR and OT are angular bisector of angle POS and angle SOQ. So OS is stand on the line PQ. Then how many angles are formed? Two angles. Okay, here it is PQ. Okay, OS is stand on PQ. Then for how many angles? Two angles. The sum of angles at a point and a line is how much? 180 degrees. So at the point O, the angle is how much? 180 degrees. So, but here we don't know that this angle. Let us check that angle is x. What about this angle? Total is 180. This angle is x. Then the remaining angle is 180 minus x. 180 minus x. So the angle POS is dividing into two equal parts by the ray OT. So this angle is dividing into two equal parts by the ray OR. Next, this angle is dividing into equal parts by the ray OT. Okay, dividing into equal parts means here when you draw the OR ray, it is dividing two equal parts. Total angle is how much? X. Total angle is x. The x is dividing two equal parts, that is here x by 2. Next here x by 2. Next angle SOQ, angle is how much? 180 minus x. This angle is dividing into two equal parts by the ray OT. Okay, so that is here dividing two equal parts means how much here? 180 minus x by 2. Next here 180 minus x by 2. Okay. So here they are asking that angle ROT, angle ROT. So angle ROT means what? Angle ROS and angle SOT. Okay, angle ROS is how much? X by 2. Angle SOT is how much? 180 minus x by 2. So here 180 minus x by 2, it is 180 minus x divided by 2. You can write as separate, that is 180 by 2 minus x by 2. So that is here 180 by 2 how much? 90. X by 2 minus x by 2 how much? Cancel. So the angle ROT is how much? 90 degrees. So here given OS ray stands on PQ line, so sum of angles at a point O on PQ line is 180 degrees. So let us take angle POS is x, then angle SOQ is how much? 180 minus x. Okay, so here given, what the given? OR ray is angular bisector, angular bisector of angle POS. So bisector means it is dividing down parts, two equal parts. So that is here angle POR is equal, angle ROS is equal. So these two parts is half of the total angle POS. So that is here POS by 2. So POS is how much here? We take x. So that is how much? X by 2. Next OT ray is angular bisector of angle SOQ. Bisector means dividing into two equal parts. So that is here angle SOT is equal, angle TOQ is equal. So these two angles is half of the total angle SOQ. So that is the angle SOQ by 2. SOQ is how much? 180 minus x by 2. Angle ROT, they are asking that find the angle ROT. So that is a angle ROS plus angle SOT. So angle ROS is x by 2, angle SOT is 180 minus x by 2. So angle SOT is half of angle SOQ. Next angle ROS is half of angle POS. So here x by 2 plus here 180 by 2 minus x by 2. So x by 2 plus 180 by 2, 2 1 ja 2 90 ja, 90 minus x by 2 plus x by 2 minus x by 2, that is cancelled, that is how much? 90 degrees. So angle ROT is equal how much? 90 degrees. Subscribe our YouTube channel. If anybody not subscribed till now, subscribe our YouTube channel. Watch the total video end. Thank you for watching my video.